Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are always healthy. I will tell you about possible events and will also explain how to complete the story. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Ria Angelina, a first semester student for mathematics education with ID numbers 11230170000053 from Class 1B Syarif Hidayatullah State Islamic University Jakarta. So, if you are curious about the story and how to solve it, let's watch this video. So, here's the story. An entrepreneur wants to know the change of a machine printing cakes without experiencing defects. To find out, a random sample of 100 print cake was taken. From this sample, it is known that 89 cakes were successfully printed without damage. Therefore, the probability that the machine will succeed in printing a cake without defect is the first. What? Sorry. First, we have to know what is meant by opportunity itself. In this video, I will explain some of the outlines of the opportunity lesson. The first, what is probability? The second is the probability formula. The third is the main purpose of using probability. The fourth and the final, how to calculate probability. What is probability? Probability is interpreted as a possibility or opportunity. Meanwhile, according to the term probability, it means a measure of the possibility of an event occurring. Systematically, the probability has a value between 0 and 1. If the probability of an event is 0, it indicates that the event will be definitely not happen. Meanwhile, if the probability of an event is 1, if it indicates that the event will occur. Probability is symbolized by PA. P is the change of an event while A is the event. The second is probability formula. Probability is a measure of the possibility that an event will occur. In probability, there are the terms probability of occurrence, multiply possibilities, and sample space. The formula is P A equals NA over NS. Information: P equals probability, A equals event, PA equals probability of event A, and A equals number of ways a can occur, and S is the number of ways all events in the sample space can occur. The third is the main purpose of using probability. First, predicting the outcome of an experiment or event. Probability is used to predict the possible outcomes of an experiment or event, such as the outcome of tossing a coin or dice. Second, measuring risks or uncertainty. Probability is used to measure the risk or uncertainty in an event or event. The higher the probability of an event, the more likely it is to occur. Third, estimating frequency. Probability is used to estimate the frequency of occurrence of an event within a certain time period, such as the number of people interested in a product or the number of accidents in area within a certain time period. 4. Decision-making. Probability can also be used to aid decision-making in situations where there are many factors influencing the outcome. Probability can help estimate possible outcomes in some complex situations. Fourth, how to calculate probability. You can calculate probability by using the previous formula, namely. However, basically, there are many different probability formulas, and probability calculation are not always easy. However, in general, there are several steps to calculate probability, namely, first, identify the event whose probability will be calculated. Second, determine the desired number of events. Third, determine the number of possible events. And fourth, calculate probability. The return The return to the original story, the solution is as follows, where PA is the probability of the event being sought, namely the chance that the machine will succeed in printing the cake, and A is the number of cakes printed by an entrepreneur, namely 89 cakes, and S is the random number or print date print cakes, namely 100 pieces. Then, so the probability that the machine succeeds in printing a cake without defects, then just enter according to the formula P success equals N success over NS equals 89 over 100 equals to 0.89. That's all I can tell you about the possibility of an incident. Sorry if there are any mistakes. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.